Hi guys! So I am back from vacation and I came home to find my package from eBay, and it is a craft bundle, so kind of a jewelry jar, but oh my gosh, am I excited because I love to craft. I've ordered from her before. I will put her eBay down below and also her TikTok, but she gave me the sweetest freebies in my last jewelry jar, and I have to say that jewelry jar was seriously so amazing. And she has other jewelry jars for sale, which I'm hesitant to say because I want them all, but let's get into this. So a note. She said, some extras for you. Thank you for purchasing again, and some freebies. This, you're kidding. That's gorgeous. I love, 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 love that. Okay, let's see these earrings. Wow. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Ooh, cute. This adorable little charm bracelet. It has a little heart on it. It doesn't say anything, but it is so cute, and I love how small it is. Some cute stickers. Ooh, these are really cool. A beautiful mint blue color. I love. And then a couple pins. That is so sweet. Loving is easy, and love yourself first. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the freebies. All right, let's get into this bag. I'm trying to fit all this in, but there is so much in this bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is packed. I'm also seeing lots of like random stuff as well, which I'm excited to see. Okay, so some of this is going to be, I am going to be able to say if I would wear it or not wear it. Okay, so I'm going to start doing that, and then for the crafts, I'm just going to put the crafts in the front. So these, I would wear. This bracelet is adorable. I would wear it on Valentine's Day. It is very cute. This, I would wear maybe if I even put it on a different chain. I think that that is cool. All these cool earrings, all these different colors. I don't know if they're my style, but they definitely are cute and very usable. So, but I will not wear them. Okay, this adorable S necklace. If anybody's name starts with an S and you want this, it is very cute. I would not wear it. Some more supplies. Heck yeah. Oh, looks like, okay. It's gonna be a minute. Oh. Okay, I'll get that in a little bit. This is so cute. It's like stretchy. Do you think I can fit it around my head? Oh. Oh, that is darling. Yes. I would wear it 100%. This little, oh, it's actually an earring. I'm gonna put the mismatcher and stuff in the front. Okay, this necklace with matching earrings. I would not wear it, but that is very cute. This bracelet, I would not wear, but it is very pretty. That charm is, oh, and it has diamonds on the back. That's pretty. Oh, cute. I think this is a friendship bracelet for 3 friends. That is so cute. I mean, friendship necklace for 3 friends. If anybody has a friend of 3, group of 3, I'm gonna put some of the stuff on Depop, so if you're interested, let me know. Let's get this out of the bag. Okay, this is really, really pretty. I would definitely wear that. It's gorgeous. Okay, this charm bracelet. I'm not like big into like bangles and stuff, but I would definitely wear this. That is really pretty. Oh wow, this is really cool. Yeah, so this was a craft jar, but there's a lot of good like wearable stuff in here. Wow. I do like that. Even the stuff I like, if you're interested in it, let me know. These are pretty. They're too big for me, so I would not wear. There's actually 2 of these earrings. They're not my style, but they are cute and in great shape. I would not wear them. This cute shell necklace has seashells on it. I would not wear, but it is really, really cool. Like, I don't know how to get this out. Oh, there we go. Looks like a cute little hearts, like child play necklace. It is very, very cute. Definitely for like a kid, but adorable. I would not wear it though. Ooh, this is cool. Kind of like giving me Belle vibes with this gorgeous yellow beading. I would not wear it, but it is very cute. A ring pop ring, and there's actually a couple of them. They're funny. I think my daughter would like them when they would fit her. But yeah, they're cute rings, ring pop style rings. I would not wear them, but maybe my daughter would. Okay, that is really cool. Wow. I don't know if I would wear it because I don't know if that's my color, but it is very cool, and I know somebody could really pull that off. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's just do this one. This gorgeous bangle, so many pretty details. Yes, I would wear it even though I don't wear bangles, so that says a lot. This bangle is really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go to part 2.